So today is the day, the CCR Comeback Champions Retreat 2026. In Career Comeback Hub, this is the first offline event that we are conducting for all women warriors who have either restarted or are preparing to restart after career breaks of 2 years, 6 years, even 10 plus years. And this is the first time we have conducted this event offline. But definitely it would not be the last time. 60 plus women warriors from across the country have gathered here at Crown Plaza, Pune to witness the transformation. And I am here to immerse in service. Now, what the women warriors who are attending this event will witness in terms of their transformation. There are multiple workshops that are planned to help them secure the right mindset and the right technical steps to return back to work after any number of years of career break. We have women warriors who are career comeback champions from CCH who would be coming on stage and sharing their story on how they manage their mindset as well as the right action steps to restart work after career breaks of 5 years, 10 years, even 14 plus years. Now we also have some of the India's best coaches who would be training these women warriors on money management, right mindset, parenting, being strong mothers, and also how to use Gen AI for their career comeback. We also have an amazing session on the inner healing for all these women warriors. Now after this one full day event, what we intend to do is the women warriors who have come here in search of transformation, they will not leave from here with the same mindset. Their mindset would be revamped, the action steps would be clear, and they would be sorted for at least the next 1 year to make sure that they realize their full potential, not just in their professional lives, but also in their personal aspirations. This is CCR February 2026.